Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but one that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. In fact, it is a question that several people have also left me. I took to repair the car's turbo, and it keeps filling the hoses with oil, and they tell me that it is normal. Let's see, this is not normal at all. If a mechanic tells you that, my advice is to change mechanics. Let's see what could have happened here. First, that the problem was not with the turbo, that the oil could have caused it. Pull through the faulty PCV valve, which is in the open position and is pulling engine oil into the intake. It could also be that the problem was with the turbo, so it could happen that they have put a cartridge in the turbo, and it is defective, and that is allowing the engine oil, which lubricates the turbo, to escape towards the intake. And it could also be that instead of putting a cartridge in, they have bought a basic kit to repair turbos, which in the basic kits normally include the bushings, the oil retainers, and a few other things such as gaskets, etc. And there you have to keep one thing in mind, that the bushings wear out just like the oil retainers and so on. But the turbine shaft also wears out, and you have to take that into account, because if not, it will create play and it will be poorly balanced, and consequently, the oil that lubricates the turbo turbine shaft will come out towards the intake. But I already say that this is not normal, that a new or repaired turbo is leaking oil, and also, as you have written here, that it continues to fill the hoses with oil, and they tell you that it is normal. That is not normal at all. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.